Today we have the 2018 BMW 2 Series. This vehicle has done just under 70,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, communication, map, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control, as well as our mode button. From here, we can switch between Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim.